Have you read Picture of Dorian Gray or The Importance of Being Earnest? What if I told you Oscar Wilde, the man behind these literary masterpieces, was once destroyed because of the very thing he cherished most? Love. And not just any love, but the love that society refused to accept. Hi everyone, it's Aditi this side and welcome to the third episode of Authorscope, a series where we uncover the lesser known stories of the authors we thought we knew. In 1891, Oscar Wilde met Lord Alfred Douglas, a charming and impulsive poet from a noble family. Their relationship was intense, poetic, and deeply romantic. But in Victorian England, homosexuality was a crime, not just scandalous but punishable by law. Douglas's father, the Marquis of Queensberry, was furious. In 1895, he publicly accused Wilde of being gay. Hurt and humiliated, Wilde sued Douglas's father for defamation, but the trial backfired. Wilde's personal letters, intimate movements, and his private life was dragged into court. The trial revealed details about Wilde's private life. Instead of winning, Wilde ended up getting arrested. He was charged for gross indecency and was sent to prison for 2 years of hard labor. In 1895, Oscar Wilde was the most celebrated playwright in London, but everything changed when his love affair with a man became a public scandal. From his prison cell, Wilde wrote a 50,000-word letter called De Profundis, which means from the depths. In prison, Wilde wrote heart-wrenching letters to Douglas, which are collectively titled as De Profundis. It was heartbreak, confession, and poetry all at once. Wilde's pain spilled onto every page. He left prison broken, exiled, and alone. But De Profundis still echoes as literature's one of the most rawest testaments of love and sorrow. He poured out everything, the pain, the betrayal, the love that remained even after everything fell apart. Those words remained one of the most hauntingly beautiful love letters in literary history. Oscar Wilde, a genius who published his truth and a lover who wrote his sorrow into history. This story is based on Oscar Wilde's De Profundis and Oscar Wilde, a biography by Richard Ellmann. Follow up for more episodes of Authorscope.